From here, I want to change the theme of our Frontity React front end. In order to do that, I'm going to go to a search engine and look up Frontity themes. I'll click on wp-content.co and here you'll see a few themes available to us. This was one of the options we could have installed when we initially installed Frontity. This was the one that we chose, the Mars theme. If you look through and see something you like, then the installation for what I'll be showing you will be similar. I'm going to choose Chakra. In this case, it brings you to the GitHub repository and gives you instructions on how to install this theme. So I'm just going to go back to a command prompt. I'll open a new command prompt. I'll change directory back into our main project folder. And then cd into client. I'll go back to the GitHub repository. I'll just copy and paste this. Before I hit enter on that, I'll just go to package.json. Notice our dependencies. This is the theme that we've currently got installed, the Mars theme. I'll hit enter on this. Back in our package.json, we now have Frontity Chakra theme installed as a dependency. So with the installation complete, we have to then add Frontity Chakra theme to our Frontity settings.js file. Here is an example of what we want to add. Similarly to the Mars theme, we've got a name, we've got state, theme menu, and a few other key value pairs. What I'll do is I'll just copy all of this. Notice how this is nested within an array, so we can just find the closing bracket to the array and then copy all of this. I'm going to copy this entire object for the Mars theme. In Atom, this will highlight where the ending curly brace is. And I'll just, after Control C all of this, press Control V to replace that. I'm going to save this. And we'll go back to our browser and try this in localhost. We'll make sure our server's up and running. I'll refresh the server. npm run dev. And now we have our new theme installed. We have our introductory post. We have our second post, which should be in the opposite order. I don't know if that's a error on the WordPress side of things, but I don't think it will affect us too much. And we have our third post. Back in our themes, you'll notice that under packages, we still only have Mars theme installed. Now, if we want to edit our new theme, we need to make the chakra theme available to us in packages. We'll go back to our GitHub. Here it gives an explanation of what we want to do to make our chakra theme a local package. So we'll click on this guide. We've installed the package. We need to go to Node modules and look for the package and move it to the folder packages. We want to find the Frontity chakra theme. I'll right click this. I'll cut it. I'll minimize Node modules. And then within our packages file, before I paste it, I'll close down our server. I'll cd back one directory just to make sure there's no conflicts with pasting it into our packages theme, and I'll try pasting it. And now we have the Frontity chakra theme in our packages, which makes it a local package rather than in Node modules. We'll just confirm that it's gone from Node modules. So just to go over that again, I closed down the server so there wasn't going to be a conflict with me pasting it in the packages folder. I copied the folder Frontity chakra theme from Node modules, and then I pasted it in packages. We'll go back to the documentation for creating a local package of the theme. We have completed the install. We have moved the package. Now we've got to change the package.json file. We have to reference where the package is within a key value pair. We'll go back to our code, open our package.json file. I'm going to delete the Frontity chakra theme. And then I'll type @Frontity / Frontity - chakra theme : and then we'll specify the file that we've got the theme stored in, which is within the client directory, then packages, and then Frontity chakra theme. I'll save this. We also have to now go to our frontity.settings.js file, and under packages we need to redefine the name to @Frontity / Frontity chakra theme. So now when we install the packages, this key value pair will indicate that the Frontity chakra theme will be located here rather than something that needs to be downloaded as a Node modules package. So I'll save the Frontity settings.js, make sure the package.json.js is saved, go to the command prompt while we're in the Frontity, while we're in our main folder / client folder, we'll type npm install and then we'll try npm run dev. We've got our front end displaying. We'll try to make a change to a component within our chakra theme. I'll close down these for now. We can go to header and then header.js. I think here if we change this to a string, we'll call this test2. I'll save this. And here we're displaying test2, so we're manipulating this header component to display this string. Again, I'll hit Control V, which will now refer to the state.theme.logo. I haven't saved this yet. I'll save it now. Going back to displaying Frontity.